Hi guys, this is Lala, and I'm coming today with my Ipsy bag. And I just got out of work not long ago, and my hair is not even done, so put that on. I did get my eyebrows waxed today, so that looks a lot better. I don't have on any makeup, but yeah, got my Ipsy bag when I got home. And I seen this little bag, and it's pretty. Got the little rivets on there with the, I think this is like a bronze, copper looking color. I got a lot of stuff in here I like too. I got the Nourish Organic Face Cleanser. It says cucumber and watercress. That's what that looks like. And it's a 1 ounce bottle, so it's a nice little sample. Then I got the Kaylin, and this is a lip gloss stain. It's a tinted lip gloss, and that's what that looks like. I mean, it really shows up a burgundy type color. So that's what that is. Then I got the Crease Shadow Brush by crownbrush.com. And that's what that is. It's a double-sided brush, shadow brush, crease. That'll go in my little collection. And you can see where I had my kitchen fire. They put the primer up. They got to replace all the vents. But it's coming along, you know. I'm able to stay here, so that's a good thing. But anyway, I got the Luxury Hand Cream by Mitchell and Peach. That's what that looks like. And that's a little, what size is this? That's another 1 ounce. That says 1 ounce. That's that. Then I got Pacifica, and I've gotten other things by Pacifica, but it's a pencil, and I think it's a lip liner. It has to be, but it's sealed. But that's what that is. It's kind of, see if you can see that color. It's a gray looking. It's a great color. That's what that is. That's a liner, and I think that's all I got in my bag. And everything I'm pretty much going to use. I don't really know what that is. You know, it's a liner, but eyeliner, I guess, because it wouldn't be a great lip liner. I use the brush. I like everything. And then this is just in time for fall. The dark colors, you know. Yeah, and that's what I did. And it's my Ipsy bag for the month of September. Came in the middle of today. Had 5 items. And I'm happy with this box. I did, well, bag. I did another video on August, but I never did upload it because I had took off my lashes and I had glue all on my lashes, you know, where you can see. So I didn't even put it up. And even though I don't have on any makeup, showing all my little freckles and stuff, I put it up, you know. I'm really not a beauty channel. I buy makeup and stuff, but I'm not some beauty person that has to be all, you know, fixed up every time she do a video. Maybe I'll fix up on the next one. Alright, so that's my Ipsy bag for September, and that's all I have, y'all. Thanks for watching.